Hey, Cisco the Firescape guy. I got a solution so that's going to help everybody get their firescapes fixed. Okay, from now on, you tell the landlord and the management company to collect all their rent checks through the fire escape because you put your check upstairs on the window. So let me tell you what they do when they get here and they see the following, right? When they see this big hole, right? And they see this other big hole, okay? And they see that this tread could fall, they're gonna call you and ask you to come down the stairs and give them their rent check. You say, no, the law is very clear. You must certify and paint this fire escape every 5 years. So if all of a sudden they're not doing their job, you have rights. Fire escapes must be inspected and certified and painted every 5 years by law. If you get hurt on this fire escape, you know that the insurance company is not gonna protect whoever gets hurt on this, whether you're a tenant or a fireman, because the fire escape has not been certified. Certified fire escapes are protected under insurance. Non-certified fire escapes, there's no protection. Everything falls upon the landlord and the management company that is controlling this building. So if you want to do something about it, you have something similar, take a picture of it, send it to your management company, send it to your landlord. If they're ignoring you, send the same picture to fire and building department. If you can't, send us a picture, we'll try to help you out. Cisco the Firescape guy, saving lives one fire escape at a time.